we don't condone in it. God has the final say.
The family of a man accused of driving drunk and killing a Walker High School cheerleader leaving court today. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. Shawn Robertson pleaded not guilty today in the death of Blakeleigh Weems.
News 2's Abigail Whittam has all the details of today's hearing.
Michael, Sylvia, it was an emotional day in court for the families of both Weems and Robertson. The family of 17-year-old Blakeleigh Weems says the accused, Shawn Robertson, has shown no remorse for his actions.
His actions have led to the untimely death of our daughter, and we'll have to live with that loss and that grief for the rest of our life.
They say this has been a long time coming. Robertson was not arrested in the crash for more than 2 months. After the wreck, Robertson had a blood alcohol content of 0.09, which is 0.01 over the legal limit for driving. He also tested positive for marijuana.
I mean, how would anyone feel to watch the perpetrator and their family, their daughter's death, sit back and then get to enjoy his freedom for 3 months? He shouldn't have had an ounce of freedom after that day.
Originally, Robertson was arrested on negligent homicide, which comes with a maximum prison sentence of 5 years. However, the DA's office charged Robertson with vehicular homicide, which comes with a minimum of 5 years and a maximum of 30. He also faces charges for second offense DWI, reckless operation of a vehicle, driving under suspension, no seatbelt, and possession of drug paraphernalia. People leaving the courthouse with Robertson Wednesday say that he's not guilty of the charges.
Come on, DeAndre.
Y'all mad at the wrong person.
Why is he not guilty?
Because he's not.
DeAndre, we don't condone in it. God has the final say.
The Weems family says they believe that the Denham Springs Police Department did not properly handle the investigation and are puzzled why Robertson was allowed to leave the scene.
And never, not once, have they come out publicly and said, you know, we insinuated and we pushed this belief that Blakeleigh was this irresponsible teen, when the irresponsibility was on an adult male who's not only done this once but twice. He had an opportunity the first time that he was caught to learn a lesson, and unfortunately no lesson was learned, and he did it a second time.
The family says they hope justice will be served.
It's very hurtful. When you get behind a wheel and you are drinking and other things, you're guilty, no matter what.
Robertson hired Baton Rouge criminal defense lawyer Neil Wilkinson to handle his case. Wilkinson declined to answer any questions on camera. Sylvia, Michael.